Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another BBAI video, Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm kidding, Bed Bath & Beyond. That one died after a huge pump to $30, if anyone remembers that. I made a video talking about BBAI and its potential to go higher to $10, but unfortunately that didn't happen. I told you guys, hey, I'm going to alert it if it goes higher, but it didn't go higher. The dipped, the dipped, the dip kept on dipping, not the dipped kept on dipping. That doesn't make sense. The dip kept on dipping on BBAI, so I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna alert it. Instead, we did sell the shares that we had at 460s of NIO. You can see here I alerted this yesterday and sold the rest today of NIO at 494 because everything's coming on down. So I did not buy BB. I didn't buy any of the AI stocks. Unfortunately, I didn't see an opportunity. BBAI, as you can see, it's just coming down. The dip kept on dipping, and I'm like, well, I guess this is over. When am I going to buy it for? You look on the left side of my screen, and you can see dividend stocks are red. Everything's red, 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 red. I think only Gaxo's AI is the only one that's up 50%, but everything else, and Serve Robotics, I believe, another AI stock it's like all the volume is coming into those two. So maybe keep an eye on those. But as of right now, with how where's Nvidia? If the top dog like Nvidia's coming on down like this, I would wait and see where the market's gonna settle down. Because even the SPY, everything's red. Even Bitcoin, I think it's one of those times. Even Palantir, look at that. We're just pulling back. Like we were due for one. I would say wait to see where it settles down. I know someone left a comment saying, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient, and I'm gonna wait for not Bed Bath and Beyond. I keep saying Bed Bath and Beyond. BBAI. I'm going to wait for BBAI to come down cheaper because I don't want to chase it here. And I said, yeah, I agree with that. Let it come down. So I'm gonna wait as well. This is why I was like, be careful tomorrow. Like tomorrow, take the loss. You don't want to hold it all the way down back to $1 or $1.50. So hopefully the ones that jumped in on this candle, hopefully you just took the loss and said, nope, I'll just buy in cheaper and not hold a big bag up here. Either way, you zoom out on the chart, and I showed you last time, like, hey, this tends to be the top, right? Look at that resistance right here. Likes to have a pump 2 to 3 pumps a year, but eventually comes right back down and retraces it. So why would you want to hold a bag up here knowing that every single time it's pumped, it always comes back down to $1.50? So that's where I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy at $1.50. That's when you want to accumulate it. You want to accumulate down there. And then when the pump comes, you're already in it, nice and cheap, let everyone else push it up for you. So that's the game plan. This is going to require patience. I think I talked about this last time. It requires patience and discipline. Do not chase it. Let it come down. It will come down. It's done so already so many times. So, who left that comment? Someone left a comment. They're like, I'm just gonna wait, and I'm like, definitely wait. Let's see if I can find it here. What did this guy say about SoundHound? Big conference call next week. You guys all talk about Nvidia. No, Nvidia's a good one. Palantir as well. Shades is numero uno. Sound is making me wealthy, holding for the long term. Yeah, I called Sound at like $3, and then again at $7. I'm like, this is a buy. AI is the future. But you don't want to chase a top, right? Even if AI is the future, do you really want to invest at the top as a long term? You want the best bang for your buck. So that's why I was saying, like, let's play careful here. Let's see. Neo is going to be massive in the future. Buy and hold for 10 years. Yeah, if everything goes well for SoundHound, we should see McDonald's PR with SoundHound. But where am I? I can't find BBAI here. Serve did pump. BBAI, there we go. Shades, man, what happened? What happened? Well, it dumped. What do you want me to say? I didn't alert it, so I didn't alert it because I'm like, the dip keeps on dipping. Let's see. The AI hype is moving the stock. So true. Look at revenue growth Q over Q, not impressive. Yeah, no, we all knew that this was just AI hype. It's been happening in cycles too. If you've been paying attention, it happens in cycles. Oh my God, AI is the next big thing. Woo! And we go to $7. It dies off. It comes back down to $1, $1.50. and then it pumps again. Oh my God, this is it! AI hype, woo! We're gonna go to $10, and it just rinse and repeats. So if the market's gonna keep doing this, because it's a pattern at this point, right? You look at this; it bottomed out down here way back in October 3rd of 2022, and since then, the AI hype comes and goes. It pumps and it dumps. So why wouldn't we just abuse that bottom down there? I like to call it abuse it, because the stock market abuses people who don't have a strategy, who don't do technical analysis, who kind of just throw money at something. Oh my God, this is the next big thing, and then it comes down, and they're like, oh my God, I'm holding a big bag. I don't understand why is it coming down. They don't understand because they don't actually have a game plan. I'm giving you the game plan. Exercise patience and discipline. Let it come down. If you jumped in yesterday, I hope you just took the loss and moved on and let it come down. You'll get more bang for your buck down here. These are the cycles of AI right now, as far as we can tell, right? AI hype starts, everyone gets euphoric, and it hits a top, comes right back down, rinse and repeat. And again, this happens like every year, so might as well just wait for it to come down. Seriously, I beg you, please wait. Don't chase, because someone wanted to chase, and I'm like, don't do it. Like, it's not worth it. Don't do it. I've been there. I've been there. Let's see. I think that's it for BBAI. I wouldn't buy because I see its history of going down, but for a long-term investor, I think this stock could do well. It's been a couple of years, and long-term investors are just holding long, and they're just watching it go up. Here's the thing about long-term investors in BBAI. They're watching it go up, but if they're holding long, as in holding for $10 plus, then they just see the pumps and the dumps, and they don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, they don't really make money. Whereas the people trading it, buying at the bottom, those are the ones making money. So that's just something to keep in mind. And if you guys, I mean, there's a free Microsoft Word document in the description below. Click on that, and it tells you about my journey since 2021 and how I developed my strategy in terms of buying bottoms and exercising patience and discipline to make money in the market, to not be the one holding the bag at the top, because that's like the worst thing you can do. FOMO in, everyone. I'm holding the bag at 402. Help me. 402. Wait a minute. What? Oh yeah, you're holding. I hope. Like I said, you should have taken the loss yesterday and just that's it. I'm done. I'm just gonna wait for it to come down nice and cheap to what $1.50. You know, yeah, pump it, people. Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm gonna buy so you can dump it on my head. That's a good one though. I'm gonna be patient, wait for it to come down to $1.40. So see, this guy knows, he understands discipline and patience is going to pay. And I just showed you it seems like it's a cycle here. These past couple of years, AI stocks they go up and then they come back right back down, right back down. So why not abuse that? Why not abuse that trading range? In my opinion, that's a trading range at this point over the long term between a low of 120 and a high of like 450. That's we've touched that twice already. So I don't know, guys. Seems like a pattern to me. Reminds me of AITX here, which is another AI stock. I loaded 40K down here. It's a penny stock, so very dangerous. But we have a 100% win rate this year. Why do we have a 100% win rate this year? Do you want to know why? Because we don't chase the top here at 1 penny. We wait for it to come down here where I have this green box at 002s. We load up, and then it pumps. As you can see, it's had plenty of pumps this year. And then we bag the people who chase it. You get what I'm saying? We bag them because OTC is dangerous. Penny stocks are dangerous. Like if you buy the top, good luck. Good luck having that one come back up for you. So I'm just showing you an example. And this is just the market. This is just how it is. Hopefully you see what I'm seeing because I'm trying to save you from holding a big bag all the way down because I've been there. That's how I learned from my mistakes. You don't want to chase at 64, 60, or even here at 47. You wait for 20. Wait for 21. Every time we bought down here, we've been winning because you just buy when it's cheap, when no one wants it. Let others chase it up for you. So can you guess what I'm doing? A lot of stocks are red. So what do you think I'm doing? I'm just waiting for everything to get nice and cheap. Wait for them to come down to its previous bottom. I'll buy in. It goes up. People get excited. The cycle repeats. Rinse and literally, the cycle repeats. hopefully you guys learned something from that, because I'm here to help you avoid, holding a big bag like I did back when I first started trading. And I started trading penny stocks because I didn't know any better and I was greedy. So definitely check out the Word document in the description below. It's free. You can probably read it while taking a dump. Short, quick, and to the point. I will see you guys in the next one. Please wait for the bottom.